So this is a portable air duster and vacuum cleaner sent to me by the seller. Now this thing's really nice. It's super powerful and it does a great job at just picking up the debris, especially if you're using this like in your car, trying to get all those little nooks and crannies, getting your car seats. It just does a great job at getting up all those little bit of crumbs on there. Also works great in your console too. Now it's really easy to use. If you want to use the vacuum, you're going to use this side. You can see it does have a HEPA filter in there. That way the debris doesn't get sucked up in the fan. And then if you wanted to flip it over, use it on this side, it's going to be a little portable air duster. So if you wanted to clean any like debris off of your keyboard or just any little nooks and crannies maybe in your kitchen. So to use it, just has one simple button here. You're just going to push it one time, it's low speed. Push it twice, that's high speed, and you push it again and it turns off. You can see it does have a light on each side, so whether you're using it as a vacuum or an air duster, it can see what you're doing. And to charge it up, you're gonna use your USB-C charging port right here with the charging cable that it comes with. Now what's really nice is just how collapsible this is. This thing just collapses right down. It's super low profile. It does have a battery life of 30 minutes, which is great. So you're gonna be able to clean your whole car in just one charge. So let me show you all the little attachments it comes with. So first off, if you're using the vacuum, you can put this one on here. You just have that great little narrow edge. That way you can get in all those little hard to reach spots, just be able to suck up all those little crumbs. And then if you are doing your car seats, you can use the little brush on here too. And that's really nice because it's able to just help you pick up all the crumbs and the vacuum doesn't get like stuck in the car seat fabric. So when you do need to clean this out, there is a little latch right here. You can simply push that, pull that button out, and then you're just gonna be able to empty all that debris right on out. You can close it back up, lock it back into place, and you're good to go. Now if you do want to use this as a little air duster, it has 3 different attachments here. You have a really big one, and that just goes right on the other side. And it locks right into place and you can use that. You do have a really small one here. This is really nice too for like your keyboard, just being able to get on the inside all those keys and just being able to get all that little dirt and debris out of there. You can use that one. And that does have like a little bit bigger one here. So this attachment's great because it helps you like fill inflatable. So if you have like an inflatable air mattress, you could fill that really fast with this attachment. It also does come with a few little detailing brushes just to help you along cleaning up your car, cleaning whatever you need to get to. And like I was saying about that HEPA filter, it does have an extra HEPA filter here for you. So when you are ready to use it, so you can exchange it out, put a new one in. And it also comes with a nice little carrying case too. So you can unzip that and put all the attachments in here, zip it back up, keep it in your car so you're ready to go when you need it. So if you're looking for a really convenient portable air duster and vacuum cleaner, this one right here is a great choice. Thanks for watching.